Hey, good morning, everybody. I just wanted to post a short little video explaining Screencast-o-matic. This is the program I've used to make all these awesome videos that you all love, and they've all changed your lives. What I really would like to point out is if you choose to make the short video here, this is a really easy program to use. But just so you're aware, I don't have an account or anything. You don't need an account. So if you go to this website, don't sign up for anything. Don't log in. If you choose to, so be it. That's fine. On this page here, all you have to do is click on the launch free recorder and it will load the program. You don't need to sign up for anything. You don't have to do anything special. And then it will allow you to either upload the video right straight to your YouTube account, which all of you have a YouTube account through your school Gmail, or you could save it to your drive. You do whatever is best for you, whatever you think is easiest for you. I can't actually go through that process because I'm literally recording a video now, so I don't think I can actually show you how to do that while doing it. So, as I said, don't log in, don't sign up, just click on launch free recorder and everything should do it on its own. So, let me know if you have any questions or problems. Bye.